And today we're gonna be opening up toys.
I guess I'm gonna be opening up nothing.
Okay, so I'm gonna be opening up crazy lights. I have my mom's phone because.
Wait.
Seriously, what are you saying?
I have something else to open.
I have my.
Just you can open.
Can I tell about my mom?
Okay, first I'm gonna show you. It's really heavy. See this?
Sophia, carry it and say what it is.
So it's this
Fashion Angels.
Fashion Angels, and it's really cool. So.
And this is my mom's phone because I never have a phone.
I just opened it.
So I'm not gonna show you the password because.
Sorry, I just opened it.
Oh, thank you. It's fine. So I'm gonna be. So this is a Crazy Lights Magic Light Up speakers, and it connects to a new Bluetooth. So I'm pretty excited. We got this from. So I'm pretty excited. So let's start.
Oh my God! It has stickers behind.
Sticker.
Wait.
Can on stand. Oh wow! Look at this, boy. Oh wait, so this is like the connection.
I wish we had like somebody that's really good at this. They don't know what it is.
Oh wow! It's so cool. So it's like this, and then after it goes in the dark. Oh wow! So this. Oh God, thank you, sure.
I like these kind of stuff when you just like open them like this. Location.
Get that out of here. What? That's cool.
Huh.
So I'm gonna connect the USB somewhere to my mom's phone if it like works, but it doesn't work. I don't know how to use this stuff. So here.
Want my little hands to help you use this stuff?
No, I think I know how to, but it's just like so sealed up.
Oh my God! I got the sticker out. Okay.
Oh, there. I'm gonna use my plastic
Oh,
knife.
I get it. I need water.
What? Oh, yeah.
This is the tattoo thing when you put tattoo. Oh, this is so cool. It's like really sticky. I love these stuff. They're really
I can understand when I look at you. See the story.
Where's water?
USB power. So it's you have to use like a USB, and then audio in. I'm not getting this at all.
So I got another one. I don't know why.
What's this? Look at this pliers and wires.
I think I do like this.
When I look, this is a USB. Yes, it is. Is it like it needs charge?
I don't know.
Oh, it's in the middle.
Not good.
It doesn't even work. It needs a USB. What?
Oh my God, it
Dang.
works.
When we're done. Oh, what do you have here? Ow! Ow! Enderman. Really excited. Thank you. Thank you, Magical Hands. You're the best. Me and Magical Hands go way back together. Yay! Is it like a... Do I just like repair? Gosh, that doesn't work. Oh, dude.
Just dabbing it. Dab.
Wow.
I'm dabbing everything so like
Oh, dang.
put stuff.
Oh,
And
wow.
then so I just need to right. Just I need to get it all. So here's my second bracelet. It's really cute. And now I'm gonna add some of these.
Magical Hands, could you please help me?
diamonds.
Night begins to shine.
Hey! Please don't give it. Please.
Thank you, Master.
Oh my god, that's not even really cool. Not even cool.
I can.
Okay, so I added some of these like diamonds.
Seriously, you make me do this? Thanks a lot,
Okay,
Magical Hands.
now I'm on to my other one.
I got this little dragon. And what you do is that when you like let it go, like they fix it so, and then after you put it here, so you put your size, you put your head, and then oh gosh. Okay, dang. And then
Okay, we have
you
a
pull
little
it up, you pull it down to go like.
Okay, don't worry, little butterfly.
You go up, go down. But I keep it. So here's the thing. Ah. So we're done. Yep, we're done. So we're gonna end the video right now. Wait.
I'm talking.
What? Okay, Sophia.
Okay, so I'm done with all my glitter. I'm gonna add some more of them. So this one's for next, but I think it's gonna be pretty art. So I'm gonna add a parent.
It looks so weird.
Okay, do not touch it.
This is supposed to be connected. It actually feels really cool, like the inner part, like.
Okay.
It comes with water, so then after it will like blow up, like boom, 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 boom.
Like at nighttime, you can have like a party.
You dance. Seriously, I need. Okay, fine. I think that sounds pretty fun.
You want to do a tattoo? Which one do you want to do?
No, I'm not doing that. I'm doing this.
Oh no, that one, that's pretty hard.
I'm gonna put glitter. Comment down below if I should do it. It doesn't look cool. Yeah, it doesn't look cool.
You don't put a lot of water. You don't.
I don't. And water was inside this thing. Why did you do that? Why do you? I'm not doing this.
I do a little bit. So I do it like this. So I have my napkin.
Can you give me my napkin? Can you give me your napkin, please?
Magical hands. I need a napkin. For my brother.
Yeah.
Get a napkin.
More. Ah.
Okay, let's leave it.
This thing stays forever. What?
No, it
What's
doesn't. You
this?
just have to wash your hands. Have to wash your hands.
Why did you not tell me that before?
And I'm gonna.
I want to end this video.
I'm gonna add some of this yellow.
That's it.
So
Girl,
really hard.
I'm not good at this stuff.
I'm good at. I never knew how to do it, but then now I know.
Oh gosh. So we'll end the video right now. End the video, Sophia. And first we need to do this to get a wonderful Sophia. What do you think?
Wait, I'm looking at this.
Nope, she thinks it's a 5, so I think
No,
this is...
I think
Sophia, can you just please say it? We need to end the
I think
video.
it's a 5. And look at my
And I think
tattoo
this is
that
a
I
5.
just
So
made.
if you like this video, I think this is a 5. So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button.
Hit that bell
No, I'm
notification
just kidding.
thing.
Wait, let's say it again. So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Say goodbye, little butterfly. Say goodbye. I told you, say goodbye.
Bye.